Alright, y'all. We bought a new thing, like for the trail cam. It screws into the tree. So we're gonna go put it on and I'm gonna show y'all how it works.
You're poking me in the back. New camera holder.
Just a little bit of corn left. Here's the deer trail that they come through and stay here and eat. We almost got this set up. We're going tomorrow at our local pay pond. They sell deer feed and dog food, I believe. And we're gonna get some new stuff tomorrow, and I'll video that in next video. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.